felt like no matter how hard I tried, I just kept getting pushed back.
I had lost my life savings, and I was about to lose my house.
My kids couldn't take another failure. Neither could I. I decided right then and there, we were done with all these failed little baby steps. We were going to do something big, something so crazy and massive it would forever change the way we saw ourselves.
That's how every massive goal is ever reached. You just have to make that one big, crazy, can't go back now decision.
My idea was to build a house with my 4 kids, to actually build it with our own hands.
Be like a slightly larger than usual IKEA project.
Cara Brookins wanted to get her family out of a bad situation, so with the help of her 4 kids, they decided to build their own home just by watching how-to videos on YouTube.
Now the catch is, we'd never built anything larger than a bookshelf.
Before that project, every pair of my boots had high heels.
No architecture experience, you had no contracting experience, and you had to walk into a bank to get a home loan because you didn't have the money.
You guys are in banking. That's not how math works, is it?
What did the bank say when you said I'm going to do it myself? They're like, no, really, who's going to do it?
A few teenagers and a toddler.
Now, even if you guys have never been on a construction site in your life, you can probably tell that's a really bad idea.
Building a house, it turns out, is nothing like an IKEA project.
Building stuff is hard. Building a house was hard.
20-hour days, brutal work for 9 months.
But what do you know? There we all work together, building the impossible.
And the strategies that I found out here with mud and 2x4s, they worked. They worked so well, I still use them.
And I've shared the same strategies with people around the world.
They know how easy it is to sit back and say someday, or to just take tiny little baby steps and pretend that is somehow magically going to take you someplace big. It won't. If you want to achieve something big, you have to set it up there as the one and only goal, the one future you'll accept.
Take the risk. We woke up every day, we gave it everything we had, and then we gave it some more. Without a single clue between us of how we were supposed to accomplish a diagonal wall or maybe a staircase landing.
This entire thing was a sketch my kids and I had made around the dining room table.
We had 9 months to build the entire
To build a
house, start to finish.
Like construction people can't do that in 9 months.
The stakes were high. The pressure was high with that kind of a deadline.
I thought when I was screening the video of the home, I was prepared for the big reveal to be like this tiny little cottage. I mean, you built a house. You built a house that I would want to live in, anybody would want to live in. You didn't just build something small to make do. That is a house.
And this here, me today, this is me passing the hammer to you guys. What will you build?